Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine to a custom one on Samsung Galaxy A05s. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yahoo.com. And now you have to search something using the search engine. And now you can click here and then go to settings, click on search engine, and now in recently visited you should have yahoo.com, so you can select that and then click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yahoo. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.